Dreams, distributed reduce, reuse, recycle and management system made by Team Script Kiddies. So, what is the problem that we are trying to address? Each household contains unused medicines, electronic devices, clothes, etc. Most of the time, it's because they are past their shelf life or we no longer need them. So, it often ends up in a landfill. Some of these products will be in good condition, which means that they can be reused by the people who actually need them. These products can also be efficiently recycled and disposed in a way that does not harm the environment. Currently, there is no such easy way in which people can actually donate these products so that they can be reused and recycled. So, here we are proposing Dreams, distributed reduce, reuse, recycle, and management system, an online portal helping users connect and contribute towards sustainability. What are Dreams made up of?
So the architecture of Dreams look like this. We are storing all code in the Git repositories. Once the code is pushed, we are running the our build pipelines, which is deployed on top of IBM continuous deliveries pipelines. What it will do, it will create the Docker images, and those Docker images will get pushed to IBM container registry. Once the images are pushed with our continuous deployment lifecycle, we are utilizing the Docker images and we are deploying those Docker images on top of Cloud Foundry. So Cloud Foundry will have the Docker containers up and running, which will serve the REST endpoints utilizing IBM DB2 cloud instance, which will serve all CRUD operations, which will be performed by the user. So the application will be integrated to our front end code base, which will serve all the application, all the product, and all use cases which our user needs.
So here we are on the home page of Dreams. We all have few medicines lying around the house which have passed their expiry date or we no longer need them. We can go to the medicine donation form, fill in our details and fill in the details of the medicine that we want to put up for donation. That is the medicine name, quantity, manufacturer name and the expiry date. Based on the expiry date, it can be either reused or recycled. All that we do at the end is confirm the order. We might also have few clothes or electronic devices such as laptops or smartphones, which can be either reused by someone who is in need of them or they can be recycled. A new user might come up to the product list and filter a particular product that they want to look up for. Let us say he's looking up for this particular medicine, he clicks on it and sees the detail. Or an NGO might come in and they can pick up the stuff which is marked as the category recycle. This is a small dream, and we wish to convert it into reality. Thank you.